from justtutors.com, and in today's video we will learn about solar system. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in this video are the solar system, some other members of solar system, and the satellites. So now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's try the given pre-assessment questions. You can pause the video here and you can try the given questions. Once you are done, you can resume the video to check your answers. Pat your back if all of your answers are correct. And now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's learn about solar system. Well, the solar system is formed by the sun and other celestial bodies that revolves around the sun. It consists of asteroids, planets, and meteors. Earth is also part of the solar system because it revolves around the sun. And in total, 8 planets revolves around the sun, including Earth. And with that, few more points are there, like the planets are at varying distance from the sun. The nearest planet to the sun is Mercury and the furthest one is Neptune. The Earth comes at third place in terms of distance from the sun. So that was quick information about the solar system. Now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's talk about the sun. Well, the sun is the magnificent source of light as well heat. The sun is by far the largest object in the solar system. Well, planets don't have their own light. They reflect the light falling on them, and their position keeps on changing because of their revolution around the sun. Let's move forward towards the next slide. Well, the first point says that the path on which the planet revolves around the sun is known as orbit of that planet. The next point says that the time taken by the planet in one revolution around the sun is known as period of revolution for that particular planet. For example, to complete one revolution around the sun, the Earth takes 365 days. Let's move forward towards the next one. So it says that planets rotate on their own axis as well while revolving around the sun, and the time taken by planet to complete one rotation is known as period of rotation. And now let's move forward and let's learn about different planets. Well, Mercury is the nearest planet to Sun and it's smallest in size. Venus is the brightest planet. Earth is also known as blue planet, and with that, Mars is known as red planet. Let's move forward towards the next slide. So if we talk about Jupiter, that's the largest planet and has largest number of satellites. And Saturn is known as yellow planet and it has rings around it. If we talk about Uranus, that rotates from east to west, and the Neptune planet has 8 moons. So this was all about 8 planets of the solar system. Let's move forward towards the next slide and let's talk about some other members of the solar system. Other members which are there in the solar system are as follows. So the first one is comets, the second one is meteors and meteoroids, and the third one is asteroids. Let's move forward and let's learn in detail about each of them. Well, comets have a long tail and bright head. Comets are usually made up of dust and ice and are not seen that frequently. They can be seen from time to time. And if we talk about meteors, they are small objects that reaches an atmosphere of Earth at a very high speed. They are small enough to burn up completely as they travel through the atmosphere. Now let's go ahead. Well, meteorites are pieces of other bodies in our solar system that make it to the ground when a shooting star flashes through our atmosphere at a speed of 15 to 70 kilometers per second. If meteors are larger in size, then they are not evaporated and reach Earth. These objects are known as meteoroids. Talking about asteroids, they are small airless rocky woods revolving around the sun that are too small to be called planets. They are also known as planetoids or minor planets. Now let's talk about satellites. So we can say that any celestial body revolving around another one is called satellite. In basic terms, we can say that satellite refers to a machine that is launched into space and moves around Earth or any other body in space. Well, Earth and Moon are examples of natural satellites. And if we talk about the world's first artificial satellite, that was Sputnik 1. So artificial satellites have been used in various applications, and few of them are transmitting radio and television signals, remote sensing, etc. So now let's move forward, and here are few practice time questions for you. You can pause the video and try the questions, and once you're done you can resume the video to check your answers. So few more questions for you to practice. Congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.